If you're searching for professional pressure washing in Melville, New York, you're in the right place. At Super Clean Machine Vertical Bar Power Washing and Roof Washing, we provide expert pressure washing services to restore your property's appearance. Over time, dirt, algae, and grime can build up on your home or business, making it look dull and neglected. Outdoor surfaces like siding, driveways, patios, and roofs are constantly exposed to the elements. This leads to buildup of mold, mildew, stains, and debris that can affect both curb appeal and safety. Super Clean Machine Vertical Bar Power Washing and Roof Washing is known for attention to detail, eco-friendly cleaning solutions, and outstanding customer service. We ensure every job is completed safely and thoroughly. That's where our experienced team comes in. We use advanced equipment and safe cleaning techniques, including soft washing for delicate surfaces, to remove buildup effectively without causing damage. We proudly serve homeowners and businesses in Melville, New York, delivering reliable and high-quality results. Ready to make your property look like new again? Contact Super Clean Machine Vertical Bar, Power Washing, and Roof Washing today for expert pressure washing in Melville, New York. Bring your property back to life with professional pressure washing you can trust.